Right guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take off this start stop engine button and the ring around it. Basically I'm doing this because there's a bit of wear and you can see the text pretty much wearing down, so I've got a new one to replace this one right here. And I actually grabbed this from AliExpress. I'm not sure, probably a quid or two, and it comes with a little small flathead screwdriver. Very simple mod, and I'll show you how to remove this. Okay, so with this, it's very straightforward. You just want to put this in the flathead, put it into the gap that you have, and then slowly pry it open like this, and that's it. You got a release right there. So once you get that bit done, just pull that out nice and gently. It will come out. There you go. Now with this, it's quite easy. I actually thought it was going to be a bit more difficult because I've seen other videos where they do a bit more complex way of opening this, which I don't think is a good idea. But anyways, it's going to be hard to display here. You can all do this without disconnecting the start engine button. So the black plastic and the silver plastic, all you have to do is basically have your flathead and have it between the basically lifting off the black plastic here, and that's about it. So I'm going to grab it on this one here and slowly just lift it up, and that's one side done. And basically just continue doing the other side, and again just do it gently, and hopefully you should come out of this quite quickly. There you go, that's the other side done, and that's about it. It's probably less than a minute, I'm not sure, but it's very easy to do. Now with this, I'm going to wrap this in carbon fiber. Obviously not the real deal carbon fiber, but yeah, simple enough. Put down to the side, and we'll be removing the button, and it's simple with this as well. So go to the edge. There's a little lip you can find, and slowly just pry it in. That's one side done, and you can put your finger in there so you can make sure the gap doesn't close. And that just pops off. Simple as that. And I just dropped that there. Anyways, I'll get that later. Yeah, so it's really simple. They only go in one way, which is good, so you don't have to get confused where they're going. And they just clip on. No problems at all. So with this right there, and that's pretty much it. I mean, I didn't feel a click on this, which was a little bit odd. Okay, so as long as that goes in, this is fine. Now with the ring, again, it can only go in one way. You can see a clip right there that goes right on the top, 12 o'clock basically, and that will fit on. And so I'm going to do the wrap quickly, and if you wish to see me wrapping the car, which I'm going to do, let me know, and I probably might show you a tutorial how to do this. But it's super simple. But clean this part here, so from any dust and any build-up of anything, just clean it up with some damp cloth, and we'll move on to the next bit. Okay, so I'm back, finished the wrap. It's a little tedious to do, but once you do it, it's, it looks pretty good. So I'm going to put that back on. Hopefully we don't have an issue doing this. Make sure you apply a lot of heat if you are planning to wrap the ring around it, especially the inner part. And that's it. Put it back in. Make sure you put that in properly and make sure it clicks in properly and that it's flush. and we're pretty much done on this. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Am I disliking it because it's a gloss finish, or am I disliking it because it's black? I don't know, a red matte would look nice on it. Probably go for a red matte. I'll have to look into that.